Hello, my Sudoku friends. Welcome. Welcome today in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. Wednesday, January the 13th, 2021. We have in this additional 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star. Sudoku with 2 stars. Sudoku with 3 stars. With 4 stars, one tectonic with 1 star, one tectonic with 4 stars, binary number one, and a binary number two. So, total of 8 extra Sudokus. And the first Sudoku I will solve will be a 3-star Sudoku. And why not the first Sudoku with 1 star? Because I will not solve them all. 8 Sudokus, too much for me, time consuming, and I will only do the 3 stars, the 4 stars, one tectonic, and one binary. Alright. So, the first Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2157. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. I have already counted the printed digits. The 3 stars has always 25. So, let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the number? I'm scanning. Yes. We see here 7 in this column, a 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the column between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. A 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. It should be there. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3s in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the missing numbers now in the middle column are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 4, 8, and the 9. That means the other 2 numbers, 4, 8, and the 9, should be the 7 and the 2. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, the row above. So that row, the only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between, the second column. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. Only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1, number 7. 3, 3, 4. All right. How about the number? 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, so no 6 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 6. It should be here. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 5, it should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about those two numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9? 8 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, second column. Those numbers are the 2 and the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Yes. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? Those 3 missing numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 8. 3, 4, 8. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 here, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in these two boxes. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Alright, 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. How about the number these two numbers in the middle row. Those numbers are the 4 and the 9. 4 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. And these two numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then. 59159. All right. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 4, the 9, and the 8. 4, 9, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 here in the first row. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 box left for this big square for the number 8. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. All right. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 9 and 4, 9 and 4. And look, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. All right. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4, and this should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. All right. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 5, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. 6 and 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds. I will continue with the second Sudoku, and it will be a 4 stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.